Does your car scrape when entering or exiting your driveway? Rolled or rounded curbs, steep dips in the street gutter, and harsh transitions from asphalt to driveway can cause front bumper scraping and repeated underside damage you may not notice until it's too late. At Curb Ramp, we offer specially designed ramps for steep driveway transitions and rolled curb entries. By reducing the entry angle, these ramps lift the vehicle under the tires, smoothing the dip and helping prevent contact underneath. They're especially helpful for rolled or rounded curbs, steep gutter to driveway transitions, small thresholds or raised lips at the curb, abrupt asphalt-to-concrete elevation changes. Many options are available in 4-foot connectable sections for full-width coverage, as well as 2- and 3-foot pieces for a more compact, minimal setup. Some models also include paintable surface strips so you can better match your driveway for a cleaner look. Mix and match sizes and heights depending on how much lift your driveway needs. The result? A smoother, safer transition from street to driveway without grinding, repaving, or expensive concrete work. No scraping, no front-end damage. Just a simple, modular solution designed to help protect your vehicle every time you drive over it.